What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today is track day. Track day again, man. I told y'all I want to get my cars together. We're gonna be going back to back to back. Cause making up for lost time and everything. So we taking John Jones, man. I got the tire. The tire came in yesterday. And you should have seen at the end if you saw the end of the video I dropped yesterday, you should have saw that. But the tire in, I already got the other wheel and tire off. There we go. Oh, y'all can't see, huh? Y'all the one who can't see, huh? We got the new one, and then here go the old. So y'all with it nail it. Look at it, right there. Picked up a nail. Told y'all. So, good tire, man. Gonna cost a little nail. Look at it. A lot of life left in them. Whole lot of life left in that tire. But it is what it is, man. It happens. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this one off and get that one back on so we can get ready for the day. We hitting Headhunters Dragway tonight. I was gonna hit Middle Jordan tomorrow, but I probably ain't. Cause I got a busy weekend of filming this weekend, so focused on that. And I actually was talking about hitting the track 3 times in a row. Today, tomorrow, and then Saturday. Saturday I'm gonna be in Reynolds, Silver Dollar Motorsport Park, for Don't Master event, NDRA, National Don't Racing Association. Going to support that. I couldn't make the first one. I wish I could have. Cause that's the history being made, man. It's an official league. It's just like NHRA, but it's the National Don't Racing Association. So it's a good thing for the sport and the culture, man. You gotta embrace different. Cause the world gonna constantly change. You should be trying to change too. You wanna stay the same, then I don't know what you on. But anyway, enough of that. It's time to get down to business. Catch y'all, y'all. So look, man, I got back home. Getting ready to throw the tire on the car. Said, let me take the arrow. Forgot to tell them what side to put on. They gotta switch the tire base. So they made it so this will be a passenger tire. It needs to be a driver tire. So now I got to go take this thing back and get it swapped over. So, get the tire took off again and put back on so the rotation will be right. I said, man, I wasn't thinking that was my fault. That wasn't even their fault. I forgot to tell them. But I'm gonna take this thing back, take that little L right there, and we're gonna take back in, y'all. Alright, y'all see it? Had to get some gas for John Jones, man. Told y'all, man, we still on pump all the time. Put about 5 gallons in here. Or I might put about 3 gallons. I think I got some gas in here already, so we can put a little bit. We're gonna head to the track. See, straight pump gas. So. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. I just made it to the track. So let me tell y'all what just happened. So y'all know I was just at the gas station getting some gas, put some gas in John Jones. So soon when I cut the camera, the reason I cut the camera out so fast, man, I had a guy walking up. He said he was from Germany, man. He spoke English a little bit, but you know, enough to understand this and that. So he come up to me, man. He got jewelry on, big gold Cuban gold ring. He pulled the ring off and he was handing me a ring, big old gold ring, 18 karat gold, had it stamped on the inside and everything. But you can look at jewelry and you know when jewelry real if you don't own some. So he pulled it off. He was like, man, I'm trying to. He was like, anything, can you spare anything for gas, man? So I pulled out like, yeah, I got y'all. He said, me and my family. And I noticed the car they was in, I saw his wife and the kid walk in the store. So I knew he wasn't lying. He said, my family, I'm trying to get back. And it's net. So I got y'all. What y'all need? I gave him $20. Didn't think twice about it. Gave him $20. So then he was like, man, my friend, so I'm trying to get back to my. He said, no, he ain't tell me. He like, I need as much gas as possible. Somebody just gave me 15. Trying to get. He was talking fast, man. He was like, just if you could spare 60, I'll let you have this ring, 18 karat. So he finna give me this big old gold ring for $60. And I gave it back to him. I said, man, don't worry about it. I gave him another 20. I gave him $40. And before I gave it to him, I looked him in the eye. I said, man, you telling the truth? And he like, he ain't understand what I was saying. So I said, are you lying? You ain't lying, right? He like, no. He said, I promise you, it's my family, my wife, my kid. He said, you can look at my tag from Miami. He said, I lost my wallet trying to get back. So I gave him another $20, man. I gave him $40. And he tried to pull off a Cuban chain and give me the chain and the ring. And I gave it back to him. I was like, man, they're from the heart. You know, they're from the heart. Don't even worry about it. And that was that, you know, he appreciated it. Then he took off and stuff. But I was like, man, at the end of the day, people be, when you're in a situation like that, people be hesitant on looking out for somebody. But my mindset, I'm like, that ain't my place to judge somebody whether they're telling the truth. Only God can judge them. So I don't make that judgment call when somebody need help if I can help them. Hey man, I do my part because I like to help people. I got a kind heart, and I'm not, like I said, it ain't my place to judge somebody. That ain't me. So man, I just want to share that with y'all because that was crazy, man. That happened. Soon I cut the camera off, but I'm about to get this thing unloaded, man. It's gonna be a little packed house tonight because they got a grill array. Y'all know me, man. I'm gonna be the first one down the track at the ambulance here. So I'm finna do all that. Then I turn y'all on within the staging lane. So stay tuned. we checking in. We got this thing loaded up and all of that. The overflow, my little homemade overflow jug popped out, man. That was the water. That's why I spun the tire. All that I ain't know till later. All this stuff. Y'all see Cuzzo made it down here. Little crazy whip sticks. Y'all make sure to hit him up. My guy Yo-Yo. Got to show him some love, man.
And shout out to my little boy Ethan.
Shout out to Ethan, man. Shout out to Ethan. Hey, this my guy right here, y'all. Like, hey, he been helping out the last 2 times, y'all. Been really helping out. Again, thing sound good, y'all. Sound good. But yeah, when I get to the house, y'all, I'ma holler at y'all about everything, tell y'all what happened. Like I said, but the overflow came out. I got in the back. I'll show y'all what my overflow jug looking like. So, all right, y'all, we checking back in, man. We back at the house. Got everything unloaded, parked, put up, all that good stuff, man. Y'all already know. But good day at the track. Like I said, seeing what we need to do there when we still, well, we ain't testing the tuning on the power or whatever. I ain't even check the data log, but I ain't turn it up the way I normally turn it up to, just because of the track I was at, where I normally run it. But like I said, it still did decent. The 60 foot can go down a lot. It can go down a lot. It's decent, but them shocks need some tweaking or whatever, cause y'all know we just changed shocks, so of course got to get them dialed in. But I was just going down there to see how the car react. I wasn't trying to dial them in at that track. I'm gonna dial them in at a radio prep track, and that's when we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty and start really tweaking the shocks and all of that, making it do what it do, and getting that 60 foot right. Cause I still see it. I was just looking at the video and I see it still squatting and then coming back up. Saying, you know, it's a little bit of unload, not a lot. It's not a lot. The front end look to be pretty loose right now, cause it's a decent amount of travel. It ain't super loose, but it's still some travel in it. So it can use some tweaking. It can use some tweaking or whatever, knock that 60 foot down, cause I know what my 60 foot normally is. Where it was with the bad shots on it. So but other than that, the car ran good. The second pad, when I was about to make the second pad, and the car just sat still, man, blistered the tires. Well, the first pad. Let me talk about the first pad, man. Shout out to my guy, man. We been knowing each other a long time. He real cool, man. But we just did something straight out the trailer. Like I said, when we pulled in, he like, let go down. I said, we can do it. We can do it, man. Small block. He nitrous. I think he just raced that truck only though, cause I think that truck got a 5-gallon fuel cell and stuff. So I think it's set up more like a race truck. I ain't saying the engine is a race engine. I mean, I don't know. I don't do that, but the truck set up like a race truck. But we went down, man. That was a good little race. That truck quick or whatever. So that was the first race. That was straight out the trailer. Then the second run, I was gonna make the second shakedown. It blistered the tire, and I was like, man, my car don't never blister the tire like that. But it was the water and antifreeze had got on the tire. I'm surprised didn't nobody catch that, man. But my car didn't run hot. It wasn't running hot or nothing. It's just that I left it in the back of the Escalade. I'm gonna show y'all. But it's a Under Armour. It's an Under Armour bottle. That's what I use the longest for overflow. And it was just like that. It was like that when I got it. I just changed the bottle out. But I'm gonna get that straightened out, man. Get something secured and stuff. Cause where the overflow usually be, you know, I had the turbo right there at one point in time, so it wasn't no spot to boat no overflow. But I'm gonna make something right, man. That's something easy. That ain't nothing. That ain't never happened. But that's where it was. That's where the water and stuff came from. It wasn't my car running hot. None of that. And wasn't nothing wrong with John Jones. Like I said, nothing ever been wrong with it. So the car itself ran good. I just could have applied more power to it if I wanted to. Even on the pump gas, like I said, on the pump gas tune, I still could have applied more power, but I just didn't. And shit, hey man, it's a good day. I just got a ticket, so I can study the data. I can look at the videos, study my shocks, see what need to be done. Well, at least get an idea what need to be done. Cause like I said, a radio prep track gonna be different. But next time I'm hit another track, I might try to hit House of Hook, man. Go up to South Carolina, cause I ain't never ran that track. I want to run on it. Or either I'm gonna go to Middle Georgia, man. I'm gonna get my bro Jesse to come down there with me, and we're gonna dial these shots in. So that's it, man. A track day. Update on brown coat the day before. So I don't know, man. Y'all see what we got coming tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG.